Hello everyone, welcome back to Hobbyist Artist. Today we're drawing one of the most respected and legendary characters from One Piece, Silvers Rayleigh, also known as the Dark King. Rayleigh is famous for being the former first mate of Gold D. Roger and one of the strongest swordsmen in the One Piece world. His calm personality, incredible hockey, and iconic appearance make him a favorite among anime fans. Let's begin with a light outline of the head. Starting with simple guidelines helps maintain the correct proportions. Before adding details, take your time with this step because a good foundation makes the rest of the drawing much easier. Next, we'll work on the facial features. Rayleigh has sharp eyes and thick eyebrows that give him a confident and fearless expression. Pay close attention to the angles around the eyes because they define his personality. Now it's time for one of his most recognizable features, his magnificent mustache and beard. Use short, controlled strokes to create natural-looking hair texture. Don't rush this stage. Small details can make a huge difference in the final artwork. Moving upward, we draw his swept-back hairstyle. Notice how the hair flows naturally toward the ponytail. Drawing hair in sections instead of individual strands creates a cleaner and more realistic anime look. After completing the face, we'll move on to the neck, shoulders, and clothing. Keep your lines clean and confident. Rayleigh's outfit is simple but stylish, making it a perfect subject for practicing line art techniques. Once all the major outlines are complete, we'll begin refining the drawing. Erase unnecessary sketch lines and strengthen the final outlines using a darker pen or marker. This creates a bold manga-style finish. Adding shadows is the next step. Place darker tones beneath the beard, around the neck, inside the hair, and under the collar. These shadows add depth and help the character stand out from the page. One of the best ways to improve your drawing skills is by practicing consistently. Even if your first attempt isn't perfect, every drawing teaches you something new. Compare your progress over time, and you'll be surprised how much you improve. If you're following along with this tutorial, I'd love to know how your drawing turned out. Share your artwork in the comments or tag me on social media so I can see your amazing creations. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Hobbyist Artist. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions motivate me to create more drawing tutorials every week. If there's another One Piece character you'd like me to draw, whether it's Luffy, Zoro, Shanks, Mihawk, Garp, or any other fan favorite, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Keep practicing, keep creating, and most importantly, enjoy the process of making art. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy drawing!